Hi, today I'm here with my Huawei Mate 50 Pro and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then we should tap here to home screen and wallpaper. Just to change the wallpapers we should tap the wallpaper section, and now we can select our new wallpaper from our device photos previously taken on our device camera, or download it from the internet, for example. Also can use just the default photos here on our device, or just by click to more wallpapers where have possibility to use the online wallpapers from the internet. For example, let's use now just one from the default photos. Just select the wallpaper, click apply and select lock screen. Just wait a second after that and let's just check, and we can see that we just successfully changed our lock screen wallpaper. Also, we have one more way how we can do that. Just first we should, with our two fingers at the same time, slide to the center. Then on the left down corner we'll see here the wallpaper icon. Just click here once, and by the same way let's select one from these wallpapers. For example, let's use the online one. Just to do that we should click here more wallpapers. Next, yes, I agree, allow, but be sure that you are connected to the internet or to another mobile data, to the Wi-Fi, for example, also. And let's go back here to the tabs, and now we can select one from this available just wallpapers, or we can use the category. So for example, let's use one from this one. This is the, we should pay for this wallpaper, so let's use and find the free wallpapers here, categories, top 3. For example, let's use this one. Tap to free, download it, click to see how this wallpaper will look on your lock screen and select lock screen. So just let's check, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.